TrafficWave has the tools that you need if you want to be serious about building a list. This is Lyle Alexander. Come along with me today in TrafficWave and go for the tsunami level. Hit the link in the description below. The income you see is a projection of monthly residual income based on the numbers that you see. This is an example of what could happen. You want $88,000 a month? Hit the link in the description below and get your TrafficWave system. If you want to build a serious list that you can market to, from this day forward, you need to build a list. TrafficWave is the tool that you need. Click the link in the description below and let's go.